Good morning and welcome to a Positive Pause with Paula. Today, family, I'm going to talk about something that I've been hearing a lot of women say. You know what they say? I don't need a man. Huh? Family, we all need each other. That's the way nature planned it. We were meant to be together. Does that sound familiar? Well, it should, because it's an old school song. And yes, it is true. You know God made man. And from man, he made woman to be with him. We all need each other, family. Sometimes when I hear women say that, I know it is not literal. Some women say it out of frustration of not having a man. That's okay. We still need each other. Some people say it to convince themselves that they don't need a man. Again, family, we all need each other. That's the way nature planned it. Please don't put negativity out in the universe. Let's not do that. Let's stay positive, let's stay grounded, and let's know and understand that we all need each other. So before we say something, let's pray and think about it, because you know power is in the tongue. So once you say something, you can't take it back. It's out there forever. So let's pray and think before we say something. And remember, family, we all need each other. Nothing can be done by yourself. You're never alone. God is always with us. Remember, that's what he promised. So ladies, yes, we do need men. We all need each other all the time. Why? Because that's the way nature planned it. Please drop me a line below and let me know what you think. Thank you for tuning in, and join me next time for a Positive Pause with Paula. May God continue to bless you. Peace and love always.